Okay, so this is going down from the monastery. And this is the part where all the tourist shops and traps and cafes and souvenirs are, and then now here it's really going down, and that's why nobody's here anymore. So this is still the monastery trail going down on the other side. Having seen the monastery building, a huge cutout from the rock, and those are the famous 800 steps to the monastery on the other side. So what they recommend is don't go up here, go up on the other side, and then you can go down the 800 steps. Otherwise you have to go up the 800 steps and down again. Meanwhile, the temperature has risen to probably about 35 degrees. So it's a hot descent, by all means. Maybe we've done about 100 of those 800 steps. Okay, see you later.